potential protesters, what's the likelihood that the folks behind you actually get inside that rally in Janesville?
So the people right behind me will not get into the rally, not trying to get in the rally, but they're separated by a fence from a line of hundreds of supporters. And when I refer to people trying to get in online on Facebook, many people from as
What are you doing?
as Chicago or from Janesville.
What are you doing?
Said they were posting
What is that you're doing?
how to get tickets for the Trump rally, saying that they were going to get those tickets and then go inside. Others said they were going to get the tickets and then not show up, hoping that those seats would then be vacant and there would be less people there. But it is likely that they will get many of the Trump rallies in recent weeks, and they don't really screen. They don't ask people if they're there to see
Whoa!
as they're being.
Whoa!
So it is likely.
Hey, what is this?
We'll be able to protest and stop.
Also standing by Jesse Poland in Wisconsin as well. You know the electorate there in Wisconsin better than most. Is
Boo!
Campaign manager ducked up